Your partner is feeling very loving and sensual. Towards you, they are super jealous from the people around you. For them, you are most beautiful and charming. Personality, they love the way you carry yourself. Your aura is so magnetic. You might find it hard to believe, but your partner keep you on pedestal. You are like a lottery in their life. Your nurturing nature is what they are missing the most right now. They miss getting calls and messages from you because it is something which always change their emotions. They are avoiding everything and everyone as for now and thinking about what they should do so they can move forward with you. Your partner is pretending to ignore you, and the reason of their silence is the regret of their actions. In their heart space, they want to run towards you as soon as possible. Your partner karmic contracts are coming to an end. No more they are listening to others who are influencing them in some other direction.